So, a priest goes to an auto shop to get new tires on his car. So, in the waiting room, the mechanic does all the work to his car. Then when the job is done, he went to go pick up his car, and he asked if everything was all right, you know, everything's all tightened up. The mechanic figured he'd be a smart ass and say, "Tighter than a nun's cunt on Sunday morning." Then the priest replied, "Well then you best get down there, you tighten those fucking lug nuts back up, bastard." True story. Happened at Brooks. So in this video, I'm going to be testing out this Gorilla Glue. Actually, my grandma told me about this stuff. In these exact words, "This shit is wicked strong. Just don't get any of it on your hands." Alright. So I bonded up the splitting maul with it. As you can see, it's starting to foam up a little bit there. It says on the back here, bonds to wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, and glass. Seeing as how fiberglass is just strands of glass, and this is just a piece of steel, this should work out just fine. Wow. It's actually pretty good. What the fuck? This thing's hard to split. Yeah, fuck that. It's working out so far, pretty good. Of course, this fucking wood's junk. There's knots on it. Ah, jeez. Well, chipped a little bit of it off. Friggin' sucks. That hit the garage door. In case y'all are wondering, this axe head, it's still on there. So pulling on it. That thing is locked up right solid. It's not going to go anywhere. So I hope y'all like this video and the joke, which is a true story. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video.